guys, I'm wishing you Merry Christmas, and today I'm just going to be doing a review on my new mini fridge. So it's because it's mini and it got a really long lead down. I can put it out to show you, so I don't have to hold the camera. So this is it, and I'll show you when I get the lamp over here. So this is what it looks like, and if you pick it up, that's what it looks like. So it's really small, and you open it up. So say I'm just going to put this there on my mini sewing machine so that you can see it better on there. So it's really good. So you open it like that. And put lip balm in there. Put lipstick in there. My mum must put lipstick in there. It's cold. Promise she did that. Sorry guys, I did not do it, I promise. That's just weird. Okay, take that out. Okay, so in there I just got some cherry Coca-Cola. So you can get 2 cans at the bottom of it, so that's good. And also at the top I got Hartley's jelly. You could fit about two Hartley's jellies in there, so that's. And then it's got like ear things on the back of it, and it got like a carrier, so you can carry it, and you can keep it on camping because it's like this little thing, like a little lead that you can take it on camping without a thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna. So that's my mini fridge, guys. God. So that's my mini fridge, and it's pink. I think you can get different colours, guys. So yeah, if you're a boy who watches my channel, then I hope there is boys that watch my channel, God. So yeah, where's my phone? There it is. So I'm just gonna take a picture of it, so like right now, so I can post on Instagram. And if you know my channel, it's on Instagram. It's Alice Girl 06. So if you want to know that, I'm gonna take a picture so I can show you and post on Instagram. I'm going to Instagram on this phone now, so I'll take a picture on my phone, post it on Instagram later on. So, guys, before my phone turns on, I've just had loads of stuff for Christmas. Literally, I had this mini sewing machine. Oh my god, there's loads. Can't call it all that. If you see the bubbles on my phone, then that's just because of the protector on it. But I can take the protector off anyway, so take a picture of it. Where's the camera? I've never used the camera on this yet. Okay, there it is. I think it might be a good camera on it. Oh no, I'm just gonna put some light for there. Quite a good camera on it. I'm just going to show you it. So that's what it looks like. Guys, so it's good that I got this phone now, a phone, because my phone that I'm using is a HTC and it's quite small and it's just like bigger. And my HTC, I can't really show you anything because I'm recording off it, so yeah. So anyway, that's my fridge, and it says pretty pink at the bottom. So it's really cool. I find it really cool because you can take it places and you can put it in your room, so you don't have to keep at night. When you get thirsty or something, or hungry, you can just go in there and get it. Yeah, and it's quite small too, so it can fit in a small place. So yeah, guys. So that was my new mini fridge review. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos, please comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.